Hi guys. In this video I'm just gonna use the MrClean magic eraser on the wall where my trash can sits in front of. It had a lot of grease stains. I've noticed it before. I was just too lazy to clean it, my bad. But anyway, I'm gonna get it done. At first it wasn't getting anything off, but then I seen it's doing its job when I wet it a little more, and it started breaking real quick. So I used 2 on this wall. The stains were lifting pretty easily as well. And y'all bear with me because I have been trying to find good lighting. I'm new to this, not true to this, so just bear with me. My videos are going to get better, and I will learn how to talk through these videos, so don't be hard on me, please, because I'm going to cry. Oh, yeah, these are my nasty baseboards. The eraser did what it needed to do. It just has the paint has lifted off the baseboard, so what I'm going to do is get some touch-up paint and just paint over those spots and be done with it. It'll be all right after that. So I'll probably do a video of that once I get the paint. I wanted to paint the whole wall, but the apartments that we stay in said they don't have that paint anymore, so we couldn't do that. But this is the finished look. I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think. What do you use to clean your wall? I hope you enjoyed this video. There will be more to come. All right. Bye. Oh, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get these subscribers up. Help your girl out. All right. Bye.